Mix Thinset mortar to a smooth, peanut butter consistency so cement board and tile bond firmly and spread easily. Start with clean water in a 5-gallon bucket and add dry Thinset slowly while mixing with a 1/2-inch drill and mixing blade to avoid lumps. Use the Thinset manufacturer's ratio as a guide, but begin with less water than you think you need and add more in small increments to reach the right feel. Mix on low speed until all dry powder is wet and the texture is uniform, scraping the sides and bottom to avoid dry pockets. The correct consistency should hold its shape on a trowel without slumping, yet still glide when you push the notch with your finger. Imagine smooth peanut butter that is slightly tacky. Let the mix slake, or rest, for the time the bag specifies, usually about 10 minutes, then remix briefly for another 1 to 2 minutes to reactivate the additives. Work in small batches you can use within the Thinset's pot life so you do not use overmixed or partially set material. Common mistakes include adding too much water, which makes the mortar weak and causes bond failure, so always err on the dry side and remix to check. Using a drill at too high a speed which traps air and creates inconsistent texture, so mix slowly and steadily. And failing to slake the mix, which prevents full hydration of polymers and reduces workability. So wait the recommended rest time, then remix briefly. Also avoid mixing directly on the floor, which can contaminate the mortar, and do not add accelerators or other powders unless specified by the manufacturer because that changes cure and strength. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing projects and matching needs to providers. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips and experiences on tasks like mixing Thinset mortar so users learn from others and make better decisions.